Welcome to Bioscholar. In this video, I will talk about what are biological databases, and also what are the goals, types, and issues within them. So, let's talk about what are biological databases. Databases that store biological information or data are called biological databases. They store biological information like sequences, structures, alignments, annotations, and motifs. Now let's talk about some of the goals of these databases. Biological databases concerns with information retrieval, data storage, and knowledge discoveries. Sequences and arrangement patterns that are created by using computational tools are stored in different databases. These databases are classified into various ways. They can be classified as primary databases, secondary databases, specialized databases, or on the basis of the data they contain. Let's talk about them one by one. Primary databases. They store primary sequences that are obtained from different molecular biology techniques. Secondary databases store annotated sequences. Primary sequences that are obtained from different molecular techniques are annotated and stored in secondary databases. Specialized databases. They store databases of specialized organisms or diseased data. Databases can be classified on the basis of data that they store. For example, RNA databases, nucleotide sequence databases, protein databases, genome databases, and gene expression databases. Now let's have a look at some of the issues that biological databases are dealing with. Issues in biological databases are the same that are found in other databases, which are related to the slow pace of technology assurance techniques, with the pace with which new data is emerging. These issues are incompatibility, redundancy, and inconsistency. For more concepts, subscribe to Bioscholar and don't forget to press the bell icon and you will never miss any new video. Thanks for watching.